What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and edit formulas in Microsoft Excel. While Excel has a variety of built-in functions that provide quick solutions for common calculations, there are times when these aren't enough. This is where knowing how to create your own formulas becomes essential, allowing for tailored calculations specific to your needs. To start creating a formula in Excel, you'll use the formula bar, which is located just above your worksheet. Every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. This tells Excel that the following characters constitute a formula and not just data to be displayed. Now, let's talk about the structure of a formula first, focusing on the BOD-MAS rule. BOD-MAS stands for brackets, orders, divisions and multiplications, and addition and subtraction. Excel follows this order of operations when executing a formula, so it's crucial to structure your formulas correctly to ensure accurate calculations. Begin by selecting a cell and then start creating your formula in the formula bar above. To quicken up the process, you can also incorporate Excel's built-in functions to streamline your formula creation if they help with redundant parts of your custom formula. Make sure that whatever cells you include in your formula creation should have some correct value in it, that they can be used by the formula you are creating. Failing to do so will yield an error instead of the final value of your formula. Once you've entered your formula correctly, press Enter, and Excel will execute the calculation and display the results in the cell where you've entered the formula. If you need to make adjustments or correct errors, simply click back in the formula bar or double-click the cell to edit the formula directly. Understanding how to craft and modify formulas in Excel not only enhances your efficiency, but also expands the range of tasks you can perform, from simple calculations to complex data analysis. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.